Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Tejaswini Akulwar and I am here to introduce you the paper ASP.NET using C#. So these are the contents that I am going to discuss in this video. As you can see, this is the syllabus followed by most of the universities. So let's move towards the outline of the paper. So as we know, the world of computing is swift towards web. And the need of an hour is to work on independent platform without worrying about the compatibility with other systems. Microsoft.NET provides you a platform where you can build your application without worrying about the compatibility issue. .NET Framework is a collection of different technologies, so the paper starts with understanding .NET Framework, and further the paper explain about ASP.NET and its page lifecycle with the concept of CSS to design your website. After that, the paper focuses on, or we can say the paper explain you different ASP.NET server controls, and to get the desired output, you will implement some logic to your web pages, and that logics we will apply through a language called C#.NET. Paper will explain you how to work with validation controls and how to manage or how to perform navigations between pages. And finally, the paper focuses on the database connectivity, where you will build your interactive websites. So let's see the objective of the paper. So the main objective of the paper is to understand the .NET framework and how you can build your own website by using ASP.NET. After studying this paper, you will be able to create or design your own websites, and you will be able to provide a consistent layout to your application. And finally, you will be able to connect your front end with the back-end application so that you can make an interactive website. So let's see the application of the paper. As I say, .NET Framework, with the help of .NET Framework, you can build number of applications like console application, Windows application, ASP.NET application, or web services. And with the help of ASP.NET, you can build web services, websites, or web application. ASP.NET supports several models for building web applications like ASP Web Forms, ASP.NET Web Forms, ASP.NET MVC, or ASP.NET Web Pages. So these are the references. Thank you.